Now I'm going to try making the, where is it? The little cookie. Looks real good, so I'm going to follow the instructions. So first, you get some brown Play-Doh. Don't need that. So some brown Play-Doh. I'll just get all of it out. And roll it into a bowl. So we're just rolling it out really carefully. Real steadily. We need enough room to make 2 giant cookies. This is real hard. Oh, did you know that today's Christmas? That's why I'm wearing a really cool necklace, because that was one of my Christmas presents. And I got this cool, we're just going to keep it rolling and rolling until we get the perfect length. I'm going to speed it up for you guys. Make sure you can see. Oops, a little too much. Okay. Okay, so I think this is fine. Oh, got blue Play-Doh on there. Get it off. So we're gonna see if this can make 2 cookies. Wait, just roll it out a little bit more. And get it really close to the edge. Squish. And bam. It's easy to cut the middle and then won't be needing that right now. Carefully pick it up. Wow, wow, whoa. Yes, it fits too. Now I just have to make it flat. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. You know I'm still in my pajamas because it's Christmas and I'm allowed to stay in my pajamas all day. And I just can't stop singing about how cool this necklace is. Let me give you a close-up of it. That's cool. But we need. Oh. Got it. And then carefully peel it up. Okay. So we need the top part. So I'm thinking of using the front side for the top part. So you're gonna need some white. I'll tell you why. So, squish, 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 squish. So, let me have a close-up. This is really smooth. So I'm gonna just get some Play-Doh. Don't need too much of it. some unity. If you already have this way set, then you know what I'm doing right now. This is a little card. So get a little bit of Play-Doh and roll it in a ball. And then when you've rolled it in a ball, kind of like get your knife and flatten it a bit. Very gently. And like smoothing out the edges. And flatten it a bit more with your fingers. Then put it to be a little thing like this. Wow, when you're done your first part, and just keep on doing it. I'm going to speed it up for you, okay? Sweet. Okay, so I'm done with my chocolate chips. I put 5 on there. So now it's time. You only do 1/2 just to make sure. 1/2. So now we are gonna need to move the white away, extra white, because we don't need the white. Oof, stiff. We're going to do exactly the same what we did for the ice cream. See here? We're going to need the same colour and the same tool that we did for the little ice cream topping. Where's that tool? Oh, got it. So you won't be needing this half because you're going to use the bottom half. And I just dropped it. I'm going to go and get it. It's a good job I don't have a dog who might come in and eat it. I'm just joking. The door is shut, so you won't. Speed this up again for you, okay? Sweet. Okay, so I'm done and now I have to do this. I don't need that, so I'll just move it out of the way really quickly. Okay, so now what you're going to do, you're going to start, wait, oh no, I did it wrong. You don't do that. Push it back. push it back in there because we need this tool again. So you're just gonna load it in. Oh, what's happening? There. There. Get the tool, pop it in. Then you're gonna squeeze. That should do. So just wrap it around like that and then take this out, and then you could use the extra to just fill the little hole that's in the middle. Get it? There. So you're like this. And then it should be perfect. And then get the Okay, so now we need to put the little cookie thing on top, and it isn't finished yet. We still need, where's the card? We need light blue, pink and red. Wait, light blue. Wait, no, we need the like turquoisey green. Pink and red. Open these babies up. Oh my gosh. It feels so good. 3, 2, 1. You only need a little bit. Too much. That should do. So we need about this much. Give you a close up. It's really soft and really cool. Right, so it's same as pink and red. Oh my god. Anyways, this is my first YouTube video. Oh my god. I love the smell of Play-Doh, and I love the feel of Play-Doh, and I love everything made out of Play-Doh. So just get some, pop it back in. Oof. Put it next to the green. Oh my god, this is hard. Oof. Got it. So just get there. Bit more. Now don't randomly just roll them up and roll them together and make like a swirl. No. Because we're going to get a little bit like this and then roll it. Roll it carefully. It has to be like a tic-tac. And kind of flatten it a bit, shape it. Then it's a little sprinkle, just like this. Like a tic-tac, and then just stick it right on, like that. And then you just need to fill all the way around. And I'm going to keep on doing that. I'm going to speed it up for you. Right now I want to do green. This is so exciting because this is actually one of my Christmas presents. Can't believe I can finally have no Play-Doh. Because all the others mixed up, they're going wrong. So this one is the best Play-Doh set I've had because it's like really big. So yeah, so I'm gonna make red. Put that there. Make pink. Put that there. Make green. Put that there. Okay. Don't need the extra Play-Doh. Some more red. Here, all done. Now you'll need this funny piece. And where's the other funny piece? And this funny piece. It's got like this print again. So you can pop in there like that. Like the cookie. And put it on top like that. And there we go. You can just put that to the side and then put these back. Oh, I'm going to make this really hard. Red back. Oh. Green back. Well, we'll need pink for our next one. So you're gonna get the ice lolly maker thing with the stick, and you're supposed to get the colour that you want and just fill it up. So I'm gonna speed it up for you. Okay, so I'm done with the pink. And what we have to do is pop the stick in. Just right in there. Really well. Close up. And leave it for a while. I wonder how long it's going to take for it to get cold. Get it? Because it's iPhone and it needs to get cold, but it's actually used to be pressed together. Right, let's see. Oh no, it didn't work. I think we might need some more Play-Doh in there. I'm going to get more pink and put more in there. Doesn't look like there's enough. Okay. No, I know it's wrong. You are going. Need more pink. I think you're supposed to use a whole tub. You're supposed to like totally cover all of it up. Right, I've used all of my pink. Let's hope it works. Wait, I need it in case there's any excess. Oh my god, this really needs squishing. Oh my god. I wonder how Santa brought this on his sleigh. What was your favourite present that you got for Christmas? Right, I need pink. Got pink stuck on my finger. We have a lot of excess pink. Okay, you might not have as much excess as me, but I have a lot. Okay, so we have that. Looks real good. flatten it out, flatten the edges. And there you go. So we've done 3 things so far. And that is good.